The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched two new affordable 5G phones in China called Redmi Note 11e and Redmi Note 11e Pro. Among these two, the Redmi Note 11e is the most affordable phone with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 11e features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Redmi Note 11e supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture, and for selfies it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on MIUI 13 skin on top, and it is equipped by massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging, but the user will get 22.5W charger inside the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.99 by 76.09 by 8.9mm and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi Note 11e has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1199 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black, grey and mint color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from March 18th. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 11e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to techsole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.